Hello everyone, it's Cooking Simulator game tutorial, and now we will create a plate. It will be our first step in ingredient mixing. We have to create a plate class, and we will do it from BP Grabbable. But before doing this, open BP Grabbable, rename the sphere to mesh, add a box collider. Also, we have to copy physics and collision settings from root to a box collider. To do this, right-click on the category and copy all properties in the category. Then select the box and paste the same properties to the category. Sometimes not all properties are copied and you have to set them manually. Tick Physics Mass checkbox. Set grab-drop as collision preset. Replace root in components with box. Next, in the event graph, replace root with the box too. Delete root. Open viewport and change box sizes. Let's check if everything works as before. And it works well. In BP Grabbable, open the grab-drop event. We will create a function and event from these event paths. Firstly, select getGrabbedObject node and collapse it to function. Open it and rename the input to player, and the output to can be grabbed. Rename this function to can be grabbed. Also make this function pure. As usually when player holds an object, they can't grab another. That's why we have to use not boolean to allow grabbing when player doesn't hold anything. In the grab-drop event, select nodes in a false condition and collapse them to a function. Then right-click to any function and convert it to an event. After that, make the graph look better and rename new graph to grab. Also rename the input to player. Next, open grab-drop event and call grab when we can grab. Next, open BP table and find the grab-drop event. Select the code for grab and collapse it to function called grab with the input player. Next, convert this function to an event. Next, select the code for placing the object and collapse it to a function. Okay, I cannot do this. That's why I create a custom event called place. With the play input of BP character. and object to place of grabbable type. Cut and paste the nodes for placing the object. Connect the nodes and use a new event instead of cut nodes. When we have a valid placed object and the place holding something, check if this object can be grabbed and call grab of the placed object. Also, don't forget to nullify the placed object. Next, create an interface for dish with one function called add item with the input